G'day guys, how you going? Craigo from Craigouncut. Well, it's a miserable day here in old Crumba town. It's been raining for the last since Christmas. We've had nearly 500 mil today. We'll clock 500 mil today, so not really much happening on the Craigo doing shit scene. So this is just a quick video. I've got my new Equinox 900 out and got did some air readings for you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Keep in mind they're all factory settings. I did a factory preset on my machine the other day, and I just wanted to know for myself. I wanted to know for myself the numbers that I need to look for and the numbers that I think could be trash. But just keep in mind this is just an air test inside. There's plenty of EMI happening. There's plenty of shit going on that shouldn't be going on when you're in the field. This is new to me because I'm normally a gold machine guy, so I've sort of got out of that because too many people are doing it and permission's getting too hard to get. So the beaches and the parks and that are for me now, I think. So guys, I really appreciate you watching my videos. I would, if you're getting something out of it, you like it, please pass it on. Hit the bell button. It does help. I get pretty excited when I see I got a new subscriber. That means I'm doing something right, and I hope you get a laugh and a giggle out of it, because I'm just an old fella having a crack at something that's mostly meant for a young person's game. So, but anyway guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Please comment. I'll get back to you with everything. If you got any questions, just ask me. I'll do my best to answer it uncut, clean, and no bullshit. Alright guys, thanks very much. Alright, g'day guys. Bit of a rainy day outside today, so I thought I'd do a little bit of air testing with the Equinox 900 for Australian coins, pre-decimal and decimal, and also on a bit of gold. So keep in mind this is an air test. I am inside with a bit of EMI. I've got the sensitivity turned right down, so I hope you can all hear what's going on. Okay, so the first one is a 6-pence, 50% silver, and it's 1951. So 1951. That's a solid 59.60. So it's a 59.60. I'll put that up on the screen. Just bear with me, I am writing it down as we go. Okay, so the next one is a 1910 1 shilling. Now keep in mind these are all ones I've found. That's an 88.89. Okay, so 88.89. Next one is a 1915 florin and 2 shillings found last year. I've been a bit slack, I didn't do much this year. Actually I did nothing this year, but that'll change for next year. So 1915 florin and 2 shillings. Don't know whether you can see that. That's a 95, oh it's bouncing over the place. 95, 97. Okay, 95 to 97. Keep in mind these are just test samples. It'll all change when they're in the soil. Next one's a 1946 florin. '83 to '85. Next one is a 1946 roux half penny. solid 82. I'm going to go 82 to 83. Next one is a 1930 Commonwealth halfpenny. That's a 62, 63 all day. Next one is a 1951 Roo penny. I'm going to go 89 and 91 on that one. So what I'm looking for is just the numbers that I should be looking at, not the numbers I shouldn't be digging. Not that I won't check most of the numbers that I get, but these are the numbers I want. So today what I'm trying to work out is whether with the 900, because I was hunting with a 600 before, is the 600 was always low numbers for these sorts of things, so I'm just seeing whether they're high or low. So the next one is a 1919 Commonwealth 1 penny. $70 to $72 all day. Now this is a pretty interesting little one. This is a 1662 Qing Dynasty cash coin, W160. Found at the Palmer River in North Queensland. And I'm going to go 43, 45. 42 to 44. Now just for shits and giggles, I've got some gold here. Okay, so we'll see what that does. In Park 1, standard settings, doesn't even register. Okay, but I will go and have a look in the gold mode. Alright, so that's those fellas out the road. Oh, shit, I am throwing them away already. I'll find it later with the detector. That's them out the road. So now I'm going to do the decimal. That's all I've got, guys, that I've found. So I'm sorry it's not a full list of coins, but we shall see. Okay, so next I've got 1 and 2 cent pieces. This is all on field 1. 1 cent piece. $78 all day long. 2 cent piece. These are all ones I've found. $85 to $87. The Australian 5 cent piece. Oh, she's low. $19 to $20. The 10 cent piece. $28 to $30. Where are we? 28 to 30. The Australian 20 cent piece. Oh, sorry, I haven't been telling you the date, the years, but this one is 2005. $41 to $43. Good old 1982 Commonwealth Games 50-cent piece. $46.47. Good old Australian $1, 2015. Just so that you can see that I'm not making this shit up. $70 to $73. A 2020 Australian $2 coin. $68 to $69. And I have a euro, €1 here, which I found up the beach here the other day. I thought it was a $1 coin, but I was wrong. Oh, that's jumping all over the joint. 74 to 82. Alright, so that's field 1, that's what I would normally hunt in. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it to beach 1, which is what I'll do park 1. And we'll do the same thing. See if we get the same result. So we're back to the sixpence. It's $59.60. So that's the same, so I'm pretty happy with that. The shilling, $89.90. That's the same. And then what did we have? We had the foreign 2 shillings. $96.97. That's the same. So and let's have a look at the flora. 84, 85. I got 83, 85. So they were all within the same genre, same range. So let's have a look at the rue penny. Rue half penny, 82, 83. That's the same. Commonwealth half penny, 62, 63. That's the same. So, what have we got there? Rue penny, 90, 89.91. So that's the same. And then the 1 penny Commonwealth, 70.71. I got 70.72, so that's the same. And then the 16.62. Then let's see, coin 40. So park 1 and field 1, they all ring up the same. So I'm happy with that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to beach 1, which is where I would normally. This is all standard settings. This is all that comes out of the factory. So I did a factory preset on my unit yesterday. So let's start again and see what happens here. 5 cent piece. Oh, sorry, we want the 1 cent piece first, don't we? I'll do that little bugger. 75 to 79. I didn't write that down. Oh yeah, 78. Yep, so I'm happy with that. The 2 cent piece. 85, yeah, 85 to 87, so it's the same. 5 cent. 18, 19. Got 19, 20. Yep, So that's the same, the 10-cent piece. 10 cent. 28 to 30, that's right. The 20-cent piece. 41, 42. Yep, that's the same. The 50-cent piece. 46, 47, that's the same. The $1. 70 to 72, yep, that's the same. The $2 coin should be 68, 69. Ooh, it's a bit higher. Oh, yes. 72, 74. So that's the only one that's a bit different. And the euro. $80.84. That's a bit different too. All right, so that's pretty much the pre-decimals and the decimals on the 11-inch coil standard settings on the Equinox 900. So what I'm going to do now is just one more test. When I put the video up, I'll try and get the numbers for field 1, park 1, beach 1 on the screen as well. So let's go to gold 1 and see if it'll pick this up. So that's at a gold 1. So you're pretty much going to be right on top of it. That's a 4 at goal 1. Let's have a look at number 2. So it will pick gold up, but not very deep. Have to pretty much be on the surface, I think. That's where they make the little coil. So anyway, that's it. I'll see how we go. I might go and get the little coil and just try the gold with that for you. Alright, now keep in mind I've done no ground balance, no noise cancel. This is just purely straight out the box. So let's try gold 1 first. I've got the small coil on. Gold 1. So it's a bit deeper. Let's try gold 2. I'm like if you fell across a bunch of gold, I'm pretty sure that it would find it, but it'd have to be pretty much on the surface. I'm about maybe 2 inches. Well, you'd get a very faint signal if your ears were switched on that far. So what's that say? 4 inches. But mind you, keep in mind this is just inside. It's raining like hell outside. It's pissing cats and dogs. I just want to do a bit of a picks me pen up. I just wanted to do a bit of an air test for myself, so I thought I would share it with you guys, and yeah, we'll see. I'll get the video up and see how it goes. So hey, thanks for watching, guys, and have a great New Year.